Hi guys, in this video we're going to be learning about density and pressure, calculating pressure. We'll look at a pressure with depth example and then we'll finish with a summary.
It turns out that when we look at matter on a particle level, we will find that the density and pressure are related concepts. Remember that density is related to how closely packed particles are in a substance. For example, the substance on the left-hand side has large spacings in between its particles. These large spacings mean that it is less dense. In other words, it is less packed together. On the other hand, the substance on the right-hand side has particles which are much closer together. So we say that the substance on the right-hand side is more dense. In other words, its particles are more packed together. Now let's talk about pressure. Pressure is related to the collisions of the particles in a liquid or gas. Remember, pressure was all about the forces exerted when particles bump into each other or the walls of their container. Just like these two particles here, which are going to collide. So what's the relationship between density and pressure? Well, in a more dense substance, there are more frequent collisions just because all of the particles are always nearer to each other, so they're more likely to bump into each other. These particles on the left-hand side being spaced far apart, in other words, less dense, means the particles are less likely to bump into each other. But the substance on the right-hand side being more dense has particles close to each other, which are therefore more likely to bump into each other.
Hey guys, to continue watching this video and unlock hundreds of other super concise and exam board specific GCSE physics and combined science videos, just click on the SnapRevise smiley face. Join me today and let's make physics at GCSE a walk in the park.